Alright, for this one we're going to add the sockets to the magic carpet here so that the character's sitting on it properly. At the moment it sits underneath here, facing the wrong way. So, to begin with we need the skeleton. So yeah, the magic carpet skeleton. As you can see, I've already put one here, but alright, we want to go to this bone. We kind of want the character sitting up the front of the carpet here. We're going to go add socket. That's called the... Oh, let me just check on the turret on here. That's the rider socket. Okay, so with the socket here, the scale and rotation is gonna be the issue here, so this can be a bit fiddly if you don't really know the scale of yours. Mine usually sits about, I can't remember if it's 0.1 or 0.01, but it's got to scale it fairly small. Then you've got to rotate it. I believe it's 90 degrees this way for mine. I'll just save it and have a quick look here. Yeah, the scale is off quite a bit. I'll change that to like usually you'd have a process you go through or an export scale that you follow. I kind of rushed this one a bit, so I might have to fiddle with it for a while to get it right. Looks a bit small now. Just double that for now. I'll move it up a bit. And usually for your rigs you'd have a socket for the attack, for the melee, so you got somewhere to attack from. I won't be on this one, but I'll add it anyway, just in case I want to do something with it later. So it's just the melee socket. Yeah. I might find something to do with it later. Just give that another look. Yeah. It's pretty close, but it's still a little bit off. Yeah, I don't know, it's pretty close, it's a little bit off, but she'll be right for now. And for this one there's like no saddle or anything, so just gonna tick doesn't require the saddle. There's a lot of stuff in the character blueprint that you probably need to change. It takes quite a while to go through. Just simple things like you don't want to have a baby. Settings, classes. A lot of this stuff will get tweaked. Like, you're not going to use these animations. Blood. It's not going to poop. You're not going to be able to knock it out. Yeah, anything linked to the old animations. I can set it up so it can go backwards and all that stuff as well. And here's where your melee socket will be. Don't really have any animations for it. Probably remove all this for now. more animation stuff. Things like the ADK. Doesn't use the ADK in this anyway. There'll be lots of little things I've missed as well. Next, you're just going to decide how you're going to implement it into your mod. So whole thing might be a little bit big. So there you go. It's a usable flying carpet, but just got to fix up my textures and that, and sounds, and it should be usable. For this one, I'm going to be make it a craftable. Good luck.